Hi superstars! Today I'll be going to a local palm oil machine fabrication factory in Akwa Ibom State, Oyo. Okay, so I stumbled on this factory, a local Nigerian factory where they fabricate different machines you can use for palm oil production and other machines, okay, other food machines as well. Some of the machines were fabricated with stainless steel, while some were fabricated with normal iron. Okay, so these machines were of different types. I saw different machines you can use to extract palm oil from palm fruits, separate palm oil, separate the kernel from the chaff, and also machines you can use to break your palm kernel. Alright, my superstars, so I'll be going to the factory to check out these machines and to familiarize you with the machines used for palm oil production. I also saw some machines used for grinding cassava. I saw wheelbarrow. I saw machines used for grinding different types of food products. Okay, so my superstars, don't go away because you are about to see amazing things. For those who have been asking me questions on different machines they can use to start palm oil production, for those who have been interested in starting palm oil production factories but don't know the machines, this video is for you. Okay, it will include the price of the machine. I'll tell you the prices of the machines, the names of the machines, and by the end of this video, you should be able to set up a palm oil plant effectively. Alright, my superstars, let's get started. When I arrived, I saw a few machines displayed outside. That's one of the machines being fabricated by this factory. Okay, so that's a wheelbarrow right there. And today, just a few machines were displayed outside. Other machines are inside the factory, and I'll show it to you in the course of this video. Okay, so today we met the engineer in action. I saw him trying to disassemble a food palm oil processing machine that was brought in by someone. According to him, this machine was sold to the person somewhere else and it was not functioning. So the person now brought it to him to disassemble it and fabricate it again to enable it work perfectly. So today the engineer is quite busy, as you can see. So let's join him and see how he disassembles this machine. My superstars, before we continue, please can you take a second to hit the like button? Thank you. Please like this video and don't forget to share. Thank you. While disassembling, he told me the spark produced while trying to cut the metallic part is really dangerous. As you can see him, he's fully kitted with a overall, protective goggle and protective shoes. Ha! Next time I'm coming to this factory, I must make sure I'm fully kitted with all my necessary wears to protect myself. So I had to keep my distance so I don't destroy my eyes. Okay, so he's still trying to disassemble that rotary part of the machine. This machine right here is a grinding machine. It grinds palm fruit. You know, after cooking palm fruit, you have to put it in a machine and grind it so the shell separates from the fiber of the palm fruit. Palm oil is extracted from the fiber of the palm fruit, so without grinding it, it is not, the palm oil cannot be pressed out of the palm fruit. So this machine right here does the work of grinding the palm fruit. While walking, we were discussing, he said there's actually a machine that grinds the palm fruit and squeezes out the oil separately, then in another compartment separates the chaff from the kernel.
So machine c'est quoi for la medium?
Even like these people are going to name them, no way to get to work. Because one process is more. At least an hour
How about the course of a new coconut off on you?
at least an hour is Avante machine at all bad, you don't do it. It's not good. I am not to this day. Pass or pass. Check the yard to farm on Asian body. Say the salary. In my boss, the door. Or sometimes, like the previous one, on the correct, I will always talk business and do. Rather than like this one, then I can track at the least of 100 bucks or 100 kg.
Okay, so let me interpret what he said. While discussing, he said that recently he corrected a machine that cracks palm kernel, that the machine could only crack 1 bag of palm kernel in a day. It was not efficient. That usually a palm kernel cracking machine should be able to crack about more than 100 bags of palm kernel in a day. And that's the type of machine he produces, that his machines are very efficient and cracks more than 100 bags of palm kernel in a day.
Put on board, you say, it's been here, it's you.
So that I'm one by one. Yes. Or me reschedule.
I'm thinking so.
Okay, so right now I'm inside the factory and these are the machines that were not brought out. This is a blending machine with an engine. Okay, so as you can see, that's the engine right there. And this is another machine. This is a palm oil press. Okay, so that's the machine from which palm fruits are pressed. That's the palm oil press right there. It has not been set up, so that's why it looks that way. And this is another big machine hiding right here. It's right inside and he couldn't bring them out. So from our discussions, as you could hear, he said I could come in and show you my superstars, these machines. So that's what I'm doing right now. Those are the machines inside. This is a big machine right here. So since he was busy with work, he asked that we reschedule. But in the meantime, these are a few of the palm oil producing machines.
Okay, my superstar. So I'm just back from the palm oil production machines fabrication factory, and like you saw in the video, the engineer couldn't grant me an interview. He said he was busy, and like you could see, he was very busy. He was trying to design and refabricate a machine that was faulty. Okay, so many people who have palm oil machines that were they probably bought somewhere and was not working well, they do bring it back to him so he can help them set it up. And if palm oil machines are faulty, they do bring it to him and he works them out. Okay, so he not only fabricates, he also refurbishes palm oil machines for people whose own is faulty. So he promised to grant me an interview. We've scheduled an appointment, and I trust that in our next video I'll get to have a full time with him where he'll take us around each of those machines. He has promised that by then he will display all the machines neatly so you can see them clearly, and then he'll tell us the names, the price of each machine. So my superstars, please look out for our next video. Alright, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Alright, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, thank you for watching my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye superstars.